Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to note down all the objective question along with the answers from April 2019 to April 25 under the subject Retail Management, a marketing subject of BMS. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM6 student. So let us see what all objective question had been asked in the previous papers and what would have been their answers. First, April 2025. Under April 25, the first set of questions were MCQs. These are the first set of MCQs from that paper. You can go through it once. These are the next set of MCQs. These are the remaining MCQs from that paper. Okay, along with MCQ, the next set of question was true or false. These are the first set of true or false. Okay, these are the next set of true or false. Okay, next, April 24. First set of question was MCQs. These are the next set of questions. These are the remaining set of MCQ. Okay, next was true or false. These are the next set of true or false. Next, April 23, the first set of question was MCQs. These are the next set of MCQ. Next was true or false. Next, next November 19, first set of question was MCQ. Next, along with that, we had true or false. These are the next set. Next, April 19, first set of question was MCQ. These are the next set. These are the remaining MCQs. Next was true or false. These are the remaining true or false. Okay, so these are all the objective questions from past university papers under the subject detail management. So I hope everyone have made a note of it. With that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.